In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on British Airways. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make prices show in the currency you prefer, so you can compare fares with confidence and avoid surprises at checkout. First, open your browser and go to the British Airways website, specifically the Compare and Book Flights page. This is the main starting point for searching flights, and it's where the currency change will be most obvious. Remember, on the British Airways site, the currency you see is tied to the country or region setting, so we'll adjust that to make the prices display the way you want. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the site's region and language control, often shown as a globe, flag, or a label with a country name. Click that area. This opens the country and region menu that controls both your location settings and the currency used across the site. From here, choose the option to change the country or region. This is the key step. Select the country that aligns with the currency you need. For example, choose United States if you want prices in US dollars. If you prefer another currency, pick the country where that currency is standard. Selecting the correct region not only updates the currency but also tailors the site to availability and offers relevant to that market. After you've made your selection, click Change to confirm. Give the page a moment to refresh. You should now see fares and fees displayed in your chosen currency across search results and booking pages. If you were already browsing flights, the site will typically update the amounts automatically. Keep in mind, taxes, fees, and certain fare options can vary by region, and exchange rates can make totals look different when you switch locations. That's normal and part of how airlines present prices based on point of sale. A couple of quick notes for clarity. This setting affects the way prices are shown, not the underlying fare rules. At checkout, the payment currency usually follows the region you've selected. If you need to view prices in a different currency later, simply repeat these same steps and switch the country or region again. And that's it. Go to the British Airways flights page, click the upper right corner, change the country or region, pick the United States or your preferred location, and click Change to apply. Your currency will update instantly, making it easier to compare and book with confidence.